Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about an app called ControlUWP, and what this will do is it gives you a kind of all-in-one settings app that you could use instead of the default Windows settings. It doesn't replace it, it's just a secondary app that you could run that gives you the more commonly used tools, lots of stuff that you'd find in a control panel, but in one interface. So if we go to the default Windows 10 settings, you see we've broken down into categories here. Then you click on one and you got your settings here on the left. So if we run this tool here, so once you download it, unzip it to be executable. First time you run it, you might have to do a .NET update, and then it will give you a link, take you right to there, and you could install that real quick. Then you just run this control launcher executable. And you can see it's similar looking to the Windows app here. Except, you'll notice if you're used to using the Windows 10 settings, you'll notice there's a difference here. So, for example, under Apps, if you go Uninstall Apps Classic, it'll bring you to the Programs and Features and Control Panel. And then, of course, you could always do the newer Windows 10 settings, apps configuration for uninstalling apps, that kind of thing. Then there's this whole debloat settings. So if you want to have it, just get rid of the nonsense that comes built into Windows, you could check the boxes and then do that from here, remove selected apps. Then you have devices, autoplay settings, printers, touchpad, USB devices, that kind of thing. Of course, all your ease of access settings. You'll notice a lot of the settings are the same, with just some stuff added in, so it's not completely new. So not everything you see here will be completely different from the default settings. So there's some upcoming stuff for Edge here apparently. Gaming, network and internet, all the typical stuff that you'd like to use all in one place. So if we go to the network and internet in here, you can see you got status, Ethernet, dial-up, VPN, and proxy compared to here, where you got a lot more items there. Package management, personalization, just links to take you to the settings there. Privacy, this is kind of cool if you want to update your privacy settings here. Then you got some search for permissions and configure the search options. System, all kinds of stuff under system. Classic, change computer name if you want to do that the way we used to do it, which I still like using this way better actually. Scaling, battery, power, sound. And you got time and language, a few things there. Update and security. Windows Insider program stuff here too. Troubleshooting if you want to run some of the tools there. And then settings. This is just the settings for the tool itself. So as you can see, it's kind of a cool thing you could use in addition to your Windows settings. Not saying it's going to replace it, but actually it might if you like this better. Then once you download it, you could just make a shortcut for this somewhere on your desktop or start menu, and then you could use that for your Windows settings. So I'll put a link in the description, and you could download this yourself. I'm not sure what it'll do on Windows 11. I haven't tried it, but this is meant for Windows 10. You could always try it. I don't know if it's going to hurt anything or not, so that's up to you to take your chances on that. So download it and see how it works for you. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.